Conservation of energy resources. In this module, you will learn about the conservation of energy resources. The economic development of a nation depends to a great extent on the productivity of its industries. Eventually, industries require a continuous supply of energy for their optimum production. Hence, we can say that the economic development of a nation depends on its energy resources. Since independence, India is on the path to economic development. The developmental plans which are being implemented in India require a good deal of energy. Energy is the prerequisite not only for industries, but also for meeting most of the agricultural, commercial, transportation, and domestic needs of the nation. The rising population has led to a steady rise in the consumption of energy in all forms. This in turn has created an alarming situation where conventional energy sources are under severe strain. In these strenuous circumstances of energy crisis, urgent efforts are required for sustainable energy development. This includes promoting conservation of energy and encouraging the use of renewable energy sources. Imagine a world without fossil fuels and electricity. Even your basic needs have to be put aside. To cut it short, a major energy crisis can bring the nation to a sudden halt. By now you may have understood how grave are the problems caused by energy crisis. Let us see what can be done to tackle this problem. First step in this direction will be the promotion of conservation of energy. Some of the simple methods of energy conservation that can help us in a big way are promoting the use of public transportation instead of using individual vehicles. Switch off the electrical appliances when not in use. Using fluorescent tubes instead of bulbs. Next step to harness the looming energy crisis is to encourage the use of non-conventional energy sources such as solar energy, wind energy, and tidal energy. Since India experiences long summers, there is a great scope for successful tapping of solar energy. India is surrounded by ocean on three sides, due to which the prospects of tapping wind energy and tidal energy are great. A village called Muppandal in Tamil Nadu sets example by making use of wind energy with the help of its wind farm. Thus, the feasibility of the development of non-conventional sources of energy is more in India. Biogas is an important renewable energy source that can meet domestic requirements. It is highly economical since once installed, it runs cost-free. Hence, switching over to biogas for domestic energy requirements will be an important turning point as far as energy conservation is concerned. Another matter of concern is the ignorance of the mass. We have to motivate people to care about the impending fuel shortage. It is worth remembering that the energy saved is the energy produced. However, a rational use of energy demands extended support and cooperation from all individuals. In this module, you have learned the following. The economic development of a nation depends on the productivity of its industries. Eventually, industries require a continuous supply of energy for their production. Energy is the prerequisite not only for industries, but also for the fulfillment of most of agricultural, commercial, transportation, and domestic needs. Some of the simple methods of energy conservation that can help us in a big way are promoting the use of public transportation instead of using individual vehicles, turning off electrical appliances when not in use, using fluorescent tubes instead of bulbs,